Start. Honorable members, the world community supports India's position on various issues such as climate change, economic and cyber crime, action against corruption and black money, and energy security. Full stop. Today, the whole world stands with India on the issue of terrorism. Full stop. Designation of Masood Azhar responsible for dastardly terrorist attacks on our soil as a global terrorist by United Nations is a major testimony to this fact. Full stop. My government's neighborhood first policy is an evidence of our approach of according priority to South Asia and countries in the adjoining region. Full stop. India will play a crucial role in the progress of this region. Full stop. Accordingly, trade connectivity and people to people contact are being encouraged in this region. Full stop. My government is also conscious of protecting the interests of Indians living and working abroad. Full stop. Today, an Indian, if caught in any crisis abroad, is confident of receiving timely help and relief. Full stop. Several services ranging from passports to visas have been made easy and accessible. Full stop. Due to the efforts of my government, India's philosophy, culture, and achievements have got a distinct recognition at the global stage. Full stop. This year, the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, which is being celebrated world over, will provide a fillip to India's thought leadership. Full stop. Similarly, programs related to the 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji will help spread the light of India's spiritual wisdom throughout the world. Full stop. New India will be sensitive and also economically prosperous. Full stop. But for this to happen, nation's security is of utmost importance. Full stop. Stanza. My government accords topmost priority to national security. Full stop. Therefore, effective steps are being taken to tackle terrorism and nationalism. Full stop. India has amply demonstrated both her intent and capabilities, first through surgical strikes and then through air strikes after the Pulwama attack at terrorist hideouts across the border. Full stop. In future, to all possible steps will be taken to ensure our security. Full stop. Illegal infiltrators pose a major threat to our internal security. Full stop. This is leading to social imbalance in many parts of the country as well as putting a huge pressure on limited livelihood opportunities. Full stop. My government has decided to implement the process of National Register of Citizens on priority basis in areas affected by infiltration. Full stop. Security along the border will be further strengthened to prevent infiltration. Full stop. While on the one hand government is working to identify the infiltrators, on the other it is also fully committed to protecting the victims of persecution due to their faith. Full stop. In this regard, efforts will be made to amend the Citizenship Act while protecting the linguistic, cultural, and social identities. Full stop. My government is making efforts with complete dedication in this direction for future. Full stop. Over.